Hi guys, I'm at Blue Water Shopping Centre and they just opened a Sephora here, so I'm just gonna go in and see what they have, do a bit of shopping, see what like Christmas bits they have. And yeah, it's like super busy here because I've literally just come at like 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. so yeah, it's like getting super busy. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys whilst I'm here because I'm like in London. This is like a ways away from me, but anyways, let's see. I've been obsessed with this scent from the Sol de Janeiro range, and this is £30, which is not too bad, but I love the spray especially. They have Tarte here, and I actually haven't tried these concealers. They're £26. They have tan sand. I'm alright, thank you. Oh, perfect, thank you. Sorry. Thanks. That's alright. You guys know I love this concealer. It's £27. I have Makeup by Mario here. You guys know I love this foundation. I am the shade 15N. It's my shade. Literally my skin tone in a bottle. I love the concealer as well. So good. This is a cute little gift set, but I don't know. Yeah, you have the shades on the side. This is £27. I don't have a lot of shades though. I have the Kayali vanilla set. This has the pistachio gelato and a vanilla one in it. And this whole set is £79. This is what I wanted to see, is a Sephora collection stand. It's not too bad actually. I'm alright, thank you.
How can I help you with?
No, just watching right now, thank you. I think 220Y is going to be the perfect one for me, to be honest. I'm trying to find my shade. I think this one's like the closest one, but is there anything like less yellow than that? Best Skin Ever Concealer, it's £16. The one on the right is 33 and the one on the left is 34. Oh my god, these are the best lip balms, especially like if you can get brown sugar. This one's iced coffee. I don't have this. A really pretty shade, like a nudie shade. It smells like crap. Like it does not smell nice. I think the thing that I love about the brown sugar one is that it smells really good. I'm gonna try a pinky one. Pink sugar. That's pink sugar. That one smells really nice actually. I might grab a pink sugar. I'm telling you, I love these lip balms. If you can try something, try these. I also have topicals and I've always wanted to try this. Really nice on the skin. It fades discoloration and dark spots. Gentle enough for daily use, 35. I might get this. They have one size. Apparently this is like one of the best setting sprays. I might get a little one. I think I'm gonna have to come another time to like really sit and like swatch myself. Here's the MAC counter. I don't know why, but I really wanted to try Sephora. This bronzer looks really nice, but they don't have a lot of shades. Yeah, the shades are a little bit off. Like I like the bronzer, but then I feel like there should be more deeper shades. So I think I'm gonna skip on that. Vanessa Myrix. Vive, I love Vive. You need to try their eye ones. These are really good. They're 25. I have the mahogany one. Might grab a Skin Dew. I just swatched this. And just look how pretty that is. I might have to get it. I'm gonna get that. I think that's the last one as well. All this from NARS. You guys know I bloody love NARS. Light Reflecting Foundation in Aruba. Radiant Creamy Concealer. £27. I use the shade Biscuit. I also love their like Power Matte lipsticks. These are £28.50. This is like the whole perfume section. This Sephora is huge. It's huge. Oh, they have all the Kayali scents. Oh my god, guys. If you have not tried the new one, the Bougie Marshmallow, give it a go. It's like a strawberry, marshmallowy, vanilla-y scent. It's really nice. I think it'll make a really good gift for like a sweet scent lover. And then they have Hourglass. You guys know I love the Vanish Airbrush Concealer. I use the shade Dune. And these blushes are so good, especially the one in Imagine. It's like a deep red. It's like perfect for brown skin. So it's £48. I didn't know that it's that pricey, but it is worth it. I've never tried Ilia. Like, let me know if you guys have. Huda Beauty did come out with this new collection with like the Icy Nude palette. Everything from this collection is so nice. And they have the Faux Filler Gloss, the shimmery ones. They're so pretty. I think my favorite one is She Glitzy, this one. And then I also use this on my holiday latte in the blush filter. So busy here, oh my god. Have way hair. I've been loving the Detox shampoo, but I've never like had the chance to actually smell their other stuff. Wave spray. That smells so nice. For effortlessly chic undone hair. This would have been just got out of the ocean and my hair dried perfectly. Like this would have been good on my holiday. My sister has the matte pomade and she uses it when she does a sleek bun. I have used it before and it is good. Like it smells really nice as well. All the Sephora masks. I remember when I was younger, I would like always ask my mom to get these from France whenever she went. I think I'm gonna get 2 masks for me and hubby to do. Plumping ones, dark ones. I used to be so obsessed with these. Like, so much security here. Like the security is insane. Tapcha. You guys know I love this cream. How much is it? 67. It's quite pricey, but it is very lush. A very lush moisturizer. I really like it. The brushes here are really good. I think I do have one. I don't see it though. They have a lot of options for like minis. Look how cute is this? I actually got the mini when I wanted to try the Way Detox shampoo, and that's how I discovered it, and then I got a full size. So like you don't have to travel to get the minis. Like, oh, it's £8 only, so it's not too bad if you want to just try it out. There's like so many minis, guys. They're like endless. Okay, I'm going to check out now because my basket's a bit full. Hey guys, it's now the next day. Just filming a nail campaign with Miley. You guys know I bloody love Miley. If you go back to like my old videos, you'll know that like I've been using them for so long. They are so good, so reliable and easy to use. This bit is not paid, but I really do love them. So I feel very lucky to be working with them. And weirdly enough, like my holiday nails broke yesterday, like one came off, so I was like, this is perfect timing. And we came back like 2 days ago and it's just been non-stop. I had to film a campaign yesterday, now today, and even like personal stuff, like we've just been all around the place. Like it's just been non-stop, but I'm not complaining. Like I am very grateful for the work that I get with these brands, and it's all like thanks to you guys, because you even like watch my videos and trust my makeup videos. I think this is like the last hectic week of December, and then everyone starts to go on leave and it does quiet down. So I'm just doing my nails and watching it Judy's live. I'll show you the final result. I'm doing short. This is what they look like now, and I'll show you the after. This is the finished look. I need to show you a flash because it's so pretty with the flash on, like, or under like lighting. Actually, you can kind of see here. So pretty. I'm so happy with these. The brief was for New Year's Eve nails. Simple and easy to do at home. Look at that. I also got ready because we're gonna go have lunch, a buffet lunch at the Grove Hotel in Watford. It's the Glasshouse restaurant, I think. It's supposed to be a really nice buffet there, like a bunch of different kinds of foods. We've been wanting to go for the longest time. Me and my siblings are gonna go have lunch there. Also, I'm so obsessed with this jumper. I got it from Tik Tok shop. This is from Tik Tok shop. Like, I love it. Even if it like falls up, it doesn't look too bad, but I kind of like it lower. I'm gonna be so sad when this tan goes. So anyways, we're gonna leave shortly. I also didn't show you that we picked up this rum from the duty free in Mauritius. It has like a dodo bird in there. It's so nice. And then because we did those cocktail making classes, how we got this rum as well in Mauritius with the cane sugar. I wish we got something from Mauritius because I don't know, this one, it doesn't have that distinct natural cane sugar cane like smell, but it still worked. Like we did a cocktail yesterday and it was pretty yum. We're here, we're just trying to find parking. Apparently it's a new thing now. People stand in front of the parking spot until their car can come. And then they're just standing there. And the guy couldn't even look at me in the eye. Couldn't even look at me in the eye. C'est joli. I'm actually in shock. In shock. Anyways, we're here. Oh, my makeup looks pretty good today. So this is what the interior looked like. It was a very busy day, even though it was a weekday, but you have a lot of options. We went by the seafood, there was like a grilled section, a roast section, charcuterie, Indian. I mean, the choices were endless. I don't know what I want. I'm just following hubby at this point, so I actually don't know what I want. I think I want the roast, but there's a huge line. I love your jumper. Oh, thank you. Like the charcuterie bit, like all the meats and cheeses. This is my plate. What is this? Couscous. It's a sushi bit. Huh? That looks good. You look grown. This is my plate. I got some butter chicken and lamb curry. Okay, thank you. And then we got some sushi. I got sushi. Do you get sushi? Yes, so good. Oh, sorry. Thank you. So my overall review of this place is that I didn't feel like I ate for £66 or something. Couldn't eat that much, but with the buffet you do get a complimentary glass of champagne and you just have so many choices. I do recommend the sushi. The roast was good. It wasn't the best. I did really like the butter chicken, but honestly everyone did love their food. I would just say that if you can eat a lot of food, then this is the place to go, but I just felt like I couldn't fit enough food. Like I didn't make the most of the 60 something pounds. And we also headed to the dessert section and honestly the choices were endless. I really liked this Christmas kind of cake. I also really liked that gingerbread profiterole thing, and it also had a chocolate fountain. It wasn't my favorite. It's not really my thing, but overall we did really enjoy the experience. So if you like to try different foods, I would definitely recommend this.